never imagined one day I'll be sitting in Japan, Dotonbori, and eating octopus balls on my own. It's 6 in the evening and I'm going to Dotonbori. Dotonbori is known as the vibrant heart of Osaka. From my hotel in Umeda, I'm going to Umeda station to take a train to Namba. Right now I'm passing lots of eateries, bars and capsule hotels. Must be a popular area for budget solo travelers. Here I am. I'm now at Osaka station. This is a very big and busy station, and from here I'm going to Umeda station. I think it's just 2 minutes away. I'm catching a train to Namba from here, and it's only one station away, and I've arrived at Namba station, and it's just a 4 minutes walk and I'm already in Dotonbori. I can't believe it's so lively on a Tuesday evening. This is the street I came in from, passing through so many shops. A huge advertising signage right in front of me. I'm on the bridge overlooking the Dotonbori river. Not really a river, it's a canal. The canal is 3 kilometers long, but I'm planning to walk for about 2 kilometers, just stroll and see as many of Osaka's famous sites and landmarks found here. This is also a great place for people watching. I think all the meeting, dating, celebrating and photo shoots are done here. It's an eccentric atmosphere here, and the large illuminated signboards, and I guess it's a popular nightlife and entertainment area. Mostly I see lots and lots of young people. Just look at the number of people who are pouring into this area here now. Most of them are, I guess, looking to go out to eat, to have dinner with friends and family, and after work, just distressing after work. Trying to get a selfie with the Glico man in the background, but not successful. I tell you that Osaka is also known as the food kitchen of Japan. This is the teppanyaki dining for the famous Kobe beef, but the thing is I don't eat beef. But what attracted me is the Spider-Man up here. Just around the corner is the suspended cow for Wagyu beef eaters. Just look at the moving tongue of the Dormouse bull. I am tired and hungry now, so I'm going to look for something that I can eat. Even though Kukuru specializes in takoyaki, I see lots of takoyaki stalls in this street. Here's a lady making takoyaki from scratch. It's just batter, flour batter. There's a small piece of octopus meat, and there's some vegetables also in it. So once the batter is cooked, it can be flipped over like a ball. See what this guy is doing here. These are hot ones. I've ordered for 5 takoyaki balls. He's topping it up with sweet, salty takoyaki sauce and Japanese mayonnaise, and then dried powdered seaweed. I think he's adding bonito flakes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This
is
hot
and it cost me 430 yen.
Thank you.
Now I have to find a place to sit down and eat because it is rude in Japan to stand and eat. See, Okay, I found a nice place here. Look at my octopus balls, they are dancing. The batter and sauce is actually very delicious, but then the octopus tasted like squid meat, and there's only a very tiny piece in each ball. Right in front of me. See what I'm facing. Facing the Ibusu Tower. It's actually a Ferris wheel where you can get a whole view of Dotonbori. Every now and then there's a canal boat cruise passing by. You see, there are excited tourists shooting photos of the landmarks along the canal. In fact, the Ibusu Tower Ferris wheel is located above Don Quixote. Don Quixote is a Japanese shopping chain that sells a huge range of Japanese products that are authentic, all original, no fakes. It's really beautiful here, you know. You can stand here and watch the reflection of gaudy neon lights and signages on the surface of the Dotonbori Canal. Now I know why the locals flock here in the evenings. I must say this place is a gastronomic wonderland, crowded with restaurants and street side stalls and bars. Here you see you even have Indian food. Look, there's a Indian decor on the windows here and the flag of India. Okay, and these are so brightly lit restaurants and bars here. Everywhere is food, food and food. There's even a museum above this takoyaki place. I am in front of Sushi Zanmai, where they serve delicious tuna and sashimi, which is affordable. Next is Genroku Sushi, which is the first restaurant to introduce sushi doing its round on conveyor belt. Here you can get delicious deep fried kebabs, meat and vegetables on skewers. But the thing is, you cannot dip into the sauce twice or the angry man here will get angry. The iconic mechanical crab of Osaka. Here you can get different types of crab, seasonal crab cooked in different ways. For ramen lovers, we have right opposite. See green dragon on its facade. Next door to it is a game stall. This is like you shoot at a point and you get a prize if you hit. So this is also entertainment for those who are out in the evenings. Yeah. It's been quite a night for me. Food and more food. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Arogyaayur.